Hi guys, I'm super excited because I was sitting here typing some emails to my subscribers and just kind of in the flow of writing and in a really good mood. And then I get a knock at my door to let me know that I have a special delivery. So I'm glad that you're joining me today because I'm going to do an unboxing session with you guys here with me so that you can see me open my newest surprise. I'm so excited. So I'm gonna pull out the package. And this video is so like last minute. I was getting ready to open it and I was like, you know what? I want people to be here on this journey with me. So I got my little package here. I am going to open it all up. Guys, I'm so excited. Oh, I know. I knew what it was, but it feels so real once it's here. Oh, it is my newest book that's getting ready to come out. So this is the proof copy. First off, it's beautiful. The cover looks freaking amazing. If you'll notice, this is a little sign that says not for resale. Because it's a proof copy, they put this in the middle. You still get to see your cover, but it's to make sure you don't try to like sell it because you get a pretty good deal on the proof copy. It feels nice and thick. And it has I made sure that it has a glossy cover. One of the things that I like to look for as I am getting books and getting ready to publish them is I want to make sure that everything looks good. I want to make sure that the title is centered. I want to make sure that the design looks good because sometimes when you look at it online, when a graphic designer figures it out or finishes it, or when you look on it like on a launch preview or online, sometimes it can look a certain way, but you can see things in person that your naked eye can't see. So now my next steps are basically to make sure that everything is good because this is what my reader is going to experience. When I give them this book, this is what they're going to see. They're going to see the cover. They're going to see the synopsis. They're going to see my picture. They're going to see everything. And so I got to make sure that everything is looking good with it. I just don't even know how to express the level of excitement I have. So my next steps are to start reading through it, making sure there's no formatting issues, making sure I'm not running into any concerns. And if it's all good, I get to hit go and it'll be published in no time. So thank you for joining me on this unboxing session. Really cool fact about me is when I wrote my first book and wasn't successful the first time, I went back in, relaunched it a second time and hit bestseller immediately. And it was like life-changing for me, watching the transition, watching the progress that I made. And from there, I set a goal to publish 10 books in my lifetime. And this is officially my 10th book. Who would have known that in short of 3 years, I was able to publish 10 books, 2 journals, and 2 planners. So this is like this has a really special place in my heart. It also has a special place in my heart for the subject. I'm talking about how to survive your split and how to heal after divorce and overcome hurt. So I'm just excited to get this into the hands of the people that need it most. So thanks for joining me on my journey as I unboxed it and shared this process with you. Look forward to seeing it on the shelves soon. If you know someone that needs it, share this video so that they can also look forward to seeing it on Amazon or Barnes & Noble on the shelves soon, figurative shelves like Amazon, but they can look forward to seeing it soon so they can actually hold the book in their hands like I'm doing now. Thanks guys for joining me. Have an amazing day.